Okay, we're unboxing a major service kit for an MAB 104. The whole idea about the service kits is very much to have all the parts needed in one box to do that designated service. There is kits for the intermediate service, there is kits for, like this one, for the major service, and there is kits for the pump, there is kits for 3-year service. All the services really that is described in the manual you will find a service kit for. But let's open it up just to look what we get. As you can see, it's stacked all in order. Quite a lot of different parts. All is actually individually in different bags. O-rings are all marked with the part number. Don't know if you can see that. The O-rings that is without plastic bags actually have markings on them. Here you can see the part number. It's easy to follow and make sure that you have the right ones. And then all the different bearings that is needed to do the major service on the 104, and actually a full bill of material with all the parts that are included in this service kit. The thought behind the boxes as well: once you have utilized all these parts, you know that you're done with your service. And here in the bottom there is even some more flat gaskets as well. So that's what we had in a major service kit for an MAB 104.